Adventurers, we are here today at Richard T. Anderson Conservation Area in Eden Prairie, Minnesota. It's a little tiny little park that's kind of tucked away. I didn't even know about it. A good friend of mine let me know about it, so I'm here to check it out. We're gonna hike the perimeter, which is about 2 miles. It's raining. It is 41 degrees. Let's go. And look over here. It's a big ravine down there. It's gorgeous with all the leaves. Ooh, look at those colors. Alrighty, so I finished climbing up to the top of that big hill. And check this out, it's a nice, very nice vantage point from up here. That side's okay. You got over here, nice, vast open wetland. I believe that's the Minnesota River over there. Awesome. So this is one of those places that has a lot of trails that aren't marked on the map. It seems that people have just kind of made on their own or whatever. I'm not really sure how they come to be, but I kind of saw one of those and it headed over here, and I thought this was worthy to share. It's a pretty good viewpoint. Maybe they should make it an official one. Beautiful. So that is Highway 101 going across the bridge there that dumps out into downtown Shakopee, which is right there. Gorgeous little viewpoint. Some great colors on the hills over there. We'll be over there in a little while. Alright, just came out of there, and I'm really glad that I don't have to go that way. That doesn't look like fun. Alright, man, this place is something else. Look at this little creek running through here. I should have looked up what it was, but I don't know. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if it's just the time of year with all the leaves and the colors and stuff, but it is absolutely enchanting in this forest. Like I said, I was referred here by a friend of mine, and who even described it as a hidden gem. Which reminds me, if any of you guys want to see me go somewhere, you know of a place that you'd like to see me go to, put it down in the comments. I'll put it on my list. I love to check out new places. A huge hole in it. Reminds me of one of those guys in Sesame Street. Nope, 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 nope. Yep. Reminds me of one of those guys. Alright, well I'm about 3/4 of the way done here. It's break time. This certainly is curious. Witchcraft, possibly? Another beautiful hillside covered in leaves. Alright, exploration. Here we go. This looks like some sort of trail here going straight up this hill. Let's check it out. I don't know what's up here. It's not marked on the map. It doesn't look well used either. Oh my goodness. Was it a mountain bike trail? I think I see bike tire tracks. Definitely looks more like a trail up here. Oh my goodness. I am not going that far. Whoa. Check that out. Look at those stairs. Whoa. But again, absolutely enchanting here. I think a lot of it has to do with the leaves. But it's still a pretty nice place. Nice little teepee over here. All right. Well, this is pretty gnarly. Perfect time to scoop up some of these leaves and get them on top of this teepee. Alright, I chose adventure. We're supposed to go that way. But I'm curious about this way. What's down here? What are we gonna find? Very interesting, folks. The trail kind of turns around the corner here. I went around a tree and then just kind of petered out. And then right at the end, it's like the stuffing from an old couch. It's like foam. Soft foam. Very curious. Very curious indeed. It looks like we've reached the top of this ridge here. We're walking across, so you can just kind of see the whole 180-degree view. And whoa, look at that rain coming this way, I believe. It's starting to sprinkle again. That storm is definitely coming directly at me. It's getting closer. Alright, so I didn't beat the rain. I got wet. Not too bad, but anyway, I made it back to the car and all my batteries are dead. My phone was dead, my camera was dead, my spare battery was dead. So, it's, you know, the next day. Yeah, Anderson T Park was amazing. It was absolutely beautiful. There was kind of a lot of people there. There were a couple places where I felt like I got away and, you know, not a lot of people went down. But it was absolutely beautiful there. Enchanting, like I said. But yeah, it was a great hike. So, till next adventure, signing out.